The enter key sees a lot of daily use, but what should you do if it gives up and suddenly does not work? Now it might sound simplistic, but sometimes all you need to do is restart your computer. This could resolve minor software glitches that could cause the enter key to stop working. But if your enter key stops working suddenly, it could also be because of a physical damage. So you should check if your enter key is intact, and if you notice any broken pieces or debris under the key, you should gently clean the area using compressed air or a soft brush. Now this problem may also occur if you use a defective keyboard. So to determine if the keyboard is faulty, try connecting a different one and see if the enter key works on it. Moreover, try also disabling filter and sticky keys by searching ease of access. Click change how keyboard works. Uncheck the box next to turn on filter keys and turn on sticky keys. And lastly, try also updating your keyboard driver by opening Device Manager, right-click on your keyboard, then select Update Driver. And those are the following fixes if your enter key is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.